Beyond the perennial challenge of complying with evolving regulations, I think the single biggest issue that are facing our clients in regulated firms at the moment is the increasing cost of compliance. And I think, across the board, firms are looking at how they can strike that balance between effectiveness, efficiency, in order to optimise their systems and controls and ultimately reduce costs. And I think some of the pain points that certainly clients are trying to address is that requirement to automate both AML and KYC controls, but also around more effective real-time monitoring. We're now in a position to obviously offer to our clients Strise solutions alongside advisory and implementation support as part of the deployment of those solutions. And one of the things that we really like about Strise and their solutions is it does enable our clients to realise the benefits of AI relatively quickly, and the implementation timelines are relatively short compared to other solutions.